All right, here's that radiator core support that I showed you 3 different repairs on. It still had some stupid dents and whatnot in it. I've knocked most of those back to straight now, and we'll just come back with a little light smear of putty like I did up in there, and that'll take care of this thing. It'll be ready to go to primer. This is about the last I guess major component of the car that has not gone to primer yet, so it'd be a good accomplishment to get this in prime.